Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy S8. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bar. Now type Send Anywhere and install this free app. So misclick from this developer. Following that, just open it. Now we need to wait for this one to download, but over here we can click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Samsung. Finally, we can choose Send on Nokia and Receive on Samsung. Now tap on all of those type of dots and select Send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, click Send and just got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Samsung, choose Allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into My Files app, click on In My Case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!